Suppose I take this marker, I toss it in the air, and I catch it. What was the acceleration? It turns out there's more than one. There's actually 5 different accelerations you could consider there, and students sometimes get them confused at the beginning of physics. So here's how it goes. Before I start throwing it, the acceleration's 0 because it's just sitting there. While I am shoving it, during that very brief fraction of a second when I'm giving it a shove upward, there is a big positive acceleration. Once it leaves my hand, it's immediately following the acceleration of gravity as it goes up and down, and that's usually what they're asking for in the physics problem. They're asking for the negative 9.8 meters per second squared, which is the usual acceleration of gravity, whether something's going up or down. The 4th acceleration is when it touches my hand until it stops. I move my hand down a tiny bit and catch it. During that, there's a very big acceleration. Which way? Upward, because it's switching from down to 0 in velocity. That's an increase. And then finally, after it is stopped, the acceleration is 0 again. So let's draw that out. Acceleration versus time. We start out before I throw it, and then there's a big positive acceleration briefly while I toss it. Then it drops to negative 9.8 because it's falling under the force of gravity. Then when it hits my hand again, there's another big positive spike, and then it's back to 0.